Neil Williams here, president of Turnkey Parlor, coming from our Southern California warehouse, and we want to kind of give you a little bit of a heads up on what might happen if you buy a three-phase powered machine, three-phase electrical. You can come to it, you can pull the handle, nothing comes out, and what's happening is the beater is moving the wrong way. It's moving counterclockwise, and it's pushing the product back up into the hopper. Let's take a look. So if your machine is doing that, it means the electrician has to pull the plug, flip two wires in the plug. Very simple process. That'll make the beater spin the right way and extract your product. Neil from Turnkey Parlor, thank you very much.